Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the GMind AI Lesson Planner. In this video, you'll learn how to create, customize, and export Lesson Planner in just a few clicks. Start by selecting Lesson Planner. The first step is to select your curriculum. Enter the grade, the subject, and the topic you want. You can add more resources through the link or upload extra information to enrich your plan. Once that's done, click Next. Select the instructional models. GMind AI offers over 30 instructional models options. Click Continue. Learning objectives, learning overview, and lesson procedure, I'll use GMind AI. And for duration, I'll type 40 minutes. Then select the term, the weeks, and your country. Click Next. Previous knowledge, I'll use GMind AI. For the assessment strategy, I'll also use GMind AI. After completing the details, click Generate Plan. Remember, all results can be edited to suit your teaching style. GMind AI gives you a strong foundation, but you remain in control. Whether you want to adjust objectives, add resources, or restructure the outline, it's completely flexible. You can even translate the lesson plan into different languages. This makes GMind AI incredibly versatile, especially for multilingual classrooms or diverse learners. Once you're satisfied, download the lesson hook directly into your workspace. These tools help you personalize Lesson Planner even further. That's it. You're now ready to create fast, accurate, and professional lesson plan using GMind AI. To view your saved document on GMind AI Library, click on My Workspace. You will see a drop-down, then click on Library, and you will see it. You can also download it on your device. For more tutorials, explore our Help Center or subscribe for updates. Enjoy GMind AI, powered by GoToCourse.